नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. आजचा व्हिडिओ खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे. Today in this video I am going to give you all 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks question from chapter 13 Carbon and Important Element, which is a chapter from Science and Technology part 2 of Maharashtra State Board. So let's begin today's video with question number 1A, and question 1A is fill in the blanks. First one, dash gas is obtained from a biogas plant and the answer is methane gas. Second, carbon, its atomic number is 6. Third, if a small sample of sugar, wool, hair, seeds are taken in a test tube, after heating each test tube, carbon substance remains in each test tube. Fourth one, in day-to-day life, the jewelers express the weight of diamond in carat unit. Fifth one, coke is a non-crystalline allotrope of carbon. Next one, the lead used in pencil is made by mixing graphite with clay. Sixth, fill in the blank. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. Seventh one, the diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Reason, diamond does not have free electrons. Question 1B, answer the following question. For each correct answer you are going to get 1 mark. First one, write the difference between diamond and graphite with respect to conduction of electricity. Now you know the answer that graphite is a good conductor of electricity, whereas diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Second one, complete the table. Type of carbon. तर इथे आपल्याला दोन टाइप्स दिलेले आहेत, एन्थ्रासाइट अँड बिटुमिनस, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असलेले कार्बनचे पर्सेंटेज आपल्याला लिहायचे. द आन्सर, एन्थ्रासाइट मध्ये 95% कार्बन आहे, जेव्हा की बिटुमिनस मध्ये 70 to 90% कार्बन आहे. थर्ड वन, कंप्लीट द केमिकल रिएक्शन. लेफ्ट हँड साइड दिलेली आहे आणि राइट हँड साइड आपल्याला लिहायची आहे. इथे मी पूर्ण रिएक्शन लिहिलेली आहे. CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of light, CH3Cl plus HCl, whereas C plus O2 give rise to CO2. Now we are on the fourth one. Write the names of crystalline allotropes of carbon. So carbon त्याचे 3 crystalline allotropes आहे, diamond, graphite and fluorine. Fifth one, define the saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbons having only single bond between carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbon. जेव्हा कार्बन कार्बन मध्ये सिंगल बॉन्ड असतो तर अशा हायड्रोकार्बनला सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन्स म्हटलं जातं, आणि जेव्हा कार्बन कार्बन मध्ये डबल बॉन्ड किंवा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असतो तर त्यांना अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन असं म्हणण्यात येतं. नाउ सिक्स्थ वन, फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट अँड राइट इट. Coke, diamond, graphite and fluorine, and the correct answer is coke, because coke is non-crystalline allotrope of carbon, whereas diamond, graphite and fluorine are crystalline allotropes of carbon. Seventh one, which is essential element in all organic compound, and the answer is carbon. So here we are on the question number 2A. Give scientific reason, and for each correct answer you are going to get 2 marks. First one, carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher मध्ये carbon dioxide का यूज होतो? हे पहा, in presence of oxygen any object can burn, but when we spray carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, so carbon dioxide ऑक्सिजनची जागा घेतो. एखाद्या बर्निंग सबस्टन्सच्या आजूबाजूला जेव्हा कार्बन डायऑक्साइड येतो, तो व्हॉट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बन डायऑक्साइड? इट स्टॉप बर्निंग, आणि त्याच्यामुळे जे काही ऑब्जेक्ट बर्न होते ते बर्निंग काय करतं? स्टॉप. अँड देयरफॉर इन फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वी यूज कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. सेकंड वन, ग्रेफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ग्रेफाइट मध्ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात, आणि जेव्हा पण फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात, these free electrons can can move from one part of substance to other substance, and flowing of electron is only called as a current. So here free electrons are there, they can move throughout the conductor, and therefore graphite having free electrons and it is a good conductor of electricity. So what is the most important thing for current? That is free electrons, and graphite having free electrons, and therefore graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Let's see the third scientific reason. Biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. So how the biogas plant work? We are taking the animals and waste of plant in a closed chamber, and here by anaerobic decomposition these animal waste and plant waste decompose and biogas is formed. Moreover, we get good compost. So here whatever the products are there, they are eco-friendly and without polluting environment. Biogas is prepared, so it is an eco-friendly fuel. This biogas is used for cooking, as well as from it we can prepare the electricity. So now we are on question 2b. Answer the following question, and here for each correct answer you are going to get 2 marks. First one, explain the structure of diamond. So look at the overlay. The structure of diamond. Diamond, every atom is bounded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bond, and due to this 3-dimensional structure, diamond become very hard. It is a 3-dimensional hard structure of diamond. Then next, second question, classify the following compounds into saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So alkane, A असतं तर ते सॅच्युरेटेड असतं, आणि ENE अल्केन आणि अल्काइन YNE. जेव्हा एखाद्या हायड्रोकार्बनच्या एंडला ENE किंवा YNE येतं तर ते अनसॅच्युरेटेड. सो सॅच्युरेटेडला ANE असतं आणि अनसॅच्युरेटेडला ENE और YNE. सो लेट अस क्लासिफाय इट. इथेन ANE म्हणून सॅच्युरेटेड. प्रोपेन अगेन ANE, so it is saturated hydrocarbon. Propene ENE, therefore it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Fourth one, ethyne YNE, so unsaturated hydrocarbon. Fifth one, propyne YNE, so it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Sixth one, propane ANE, so saturated hydrocarbon. Then seventh one, ethene ENE, so unsaturated hydrocarbon. And eighth one, it is methane and it is ANE, so it is a saturated hydrocarbon. So now we are on the third one. Which allotropes of carbon is rarely found in nature? That is fluorine. Give one example. See the example of fluorine which are given on page number 141 in your textbook. C60, C70, C76, C82 and C86 are the example of fluorine. And write one property and one use of it. So see on the overlay, you can see on page number 142 the uses and property of fluorine is given. Now fourth question. Name the crystalline form of carbon. What do you mean by crystalline form? See, there are 3 crystalline form of carbon. There are diamond, graphite and fluorine. And what is crystalline form? The answer which is there on your textbook, page number 139, that crystalline form, point number 1, a crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atom. Second, they have high melting point and boiling point. Third, a crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, geometrical edges and plane surfaces. Now we are on the fifth question, that is write the uses of diamond. On page number 140 you can see the uses of diamond, and you can write minimum 2 uses of diamond. On overlay you can see the uses of diamond. The next question, how did coal form in nature? See, to form coal is a very slow chemical reaction and it takes lakhs of air. The dead bodies of plants and animals deep buried inside the soil, and by a slow chemical reaction they get converted into coal. So first stage of formation of coal is called as pit. Then after few years this pit get converted into lignite. Then lignite get converted into bituminous, and lastly it get converted into anthracite. And anthracite is the best quality of coal, which contain the maximum amount of carbon in it. Now let us see the seventh question. How will you verify the properties of carbon dioxide? So on page number 145 that experiment is given, and by doing that experiment we can verify the properties of carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless gas. Then it stops burning candles, so it's used in fire extinguisher. Then by using universal indicator we understand it is acidic in nature. Then with lime water, when we mix carbon dioxide, it converts lime water milky and it turns blue litmus red. So with doing this experiment, which was there on 145 page, we can verify the properties of carbon dioxide. So we are on the 10th one, that write difference between diamond and graphite. So diamond is a bad conductor of electricity, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Diamond is used in making jewelry, whereas graphite is used in making pencils. So minimum 2 difference, as this question is for 2 marks. So here we are on the 11th one, complete the chemical reaction. CaCO3 plus HCl give rise to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Here we are on question number 3, answer the following question, and here for each correct answer you are going to get 3 marks. Complete the following. On the overlay you can see the chart is given and you have to complete the chart about carbon elements. Its symbol is C, its atomic number is 6, its atomic mass is 12, its electronic configuration is 2,4, its valency is 4, and its carbon compound, minimum 1 compound you have to write CO2, CH4, C2H6, etc. are carbon compounds. So here we are on the second one. How will you prove experimentally that graphite is a good conductor of electricity? For that you have to see page number 141, and there is an experiment circuit diagram which is shown on page number 141. 13.4 we have taken a battery, bulb, and we are connecting it with a pencil in a series, and when we place pencil in between we found that the bulb glow, and it indicates that graphite is a good conductor of electricity because pencil lead is made up of graphite. If the bulb does not glow, then it proves that it is a bad conductor. But when we put pencil lead in a circuit, the circuit glows and current pass through it. It proves that graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Third one, write 3 uses of carbon dioxide. On page number 146, you can see the 3 uses of carbon dioxide. Now fourth question of 3 marks, what are the different types of coal and what are their uses? So you know already there are 4 types of coal and their uses. Both the things you can get on page number 142. Fifth one, write the physical properties and uses of methane. So physical properties and uses of methane are there in textbook page number 147. Now we are on the 6th question. Write 2 physical properties of diamond, charcoal and fluorine. So in textbook you will get minimum 2 properties you have to write. So here we are on the question number 4. Answer the following question, and for each correct answer you are going to get 5 marks. The first one, a molecular formula of methane, it is CH4. B. Structure of formula of methane, you can see on overlay the structure, and methane is burned in air. We have to write here chemical equation, and you can see on overlay it is CH4 plus 2O2 give rise to CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. And D question, it is physical properties of methane, and E is uses. So from textbook you can see the physical properties of methane and its uses. Now the second question of 5 marks, take a freshly prepared lime water in a test tube, blow for some time in lime water through straw and observe the lime water. See, when we add when we add carbon dioxide which is there in our exhalation in lime water reacts with carbon dioxide and it turns milky. So what is the first A question? What did you say? Lime water turned milky. B question, what might be the reason behind the change? Answer, carbon dioxide from air reacts with lime water and white precipitates of calcium carbonates are formed. C question, write a chemical reaction from above experiment. CaOH twice plus CO2 give rise to CaCO3 plus H2O. D question, write down the uses of the important gas which is used in this experiment. So you have to write here carbon dioxide uses. So you can write carbon dioxide uses which is already given in your textbook. Now we are on the third question of 5 marks, and here the first one is, what is allotropy? The phenomena of existence of substance in various physical form but the same chemical form is called as allotropy. Name the allotropes of carbon which conduct electricity. So allotrope of carbon which conduct electricity is graphite. Name the soft brittle allotrope of carbon. Who is soft? That is again it is graphite. And which allotrope of carbon is used to cut the glass? It is diamond. Last question, fifth one. Name the allotropes of carbon which has regular tetragonal three-dimensional structure, that is diamond. So here we are on the fourth question of 5 marks. Observe the figure and answer the following question. First one, which gas is prepared in the experiment and writes its chemical formula? Carbon dioxide, that is CO2. What happens if the lid of gas jar in which the gas is present and some lime water is put in it? Lime water turns milky. Third one, what happens if a burning candle is placed in a gas jar containing prepared gas? The candle stops burning as carbon dioxide does not support burning. Fourth one, what happens if small amount of solution of some universal indicator is dropped in one gas jar filled with the gas? The gas is acidic, its pH is less than 7. And write the chemical equation of the reaction for preparation of gas, that is CaCO3 plus twice HCl give rise to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Thus the carbon dioxide gas is produced. So here in this video I have given all important questions from 1 marks to 5 marks. If you like my video and if you are daily watching my videos, I request you to please like it, share it and subscribe it. We will meet in next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.